हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, स्टडी विद एनआर में आपका स्वागत है। आज से हम लोग नए चैप्टर सीरीज का शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। आज का टॉपिक द मॉर्यन एम्पायर है, पार्ट 1 है। आगे पार्ट 2 भी आएगा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहले क्वेश्चन से, हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ द मौर्यन एम्पायर? सी, चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य। कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र is a book primarily dealing with which subject? B, statecrafts and military strategy. Which Greek ambassador visited the court of Chandragupta Maurya? B, Megasthenes. When did the Kalinga War take place? A, 261 BC. By what name is Ashoka referred to his inscription? B, Devanam Priya. Who authored the book Indica? A, Megasthenes. Which Mauryan ruler assumed the title Amitraghata? C, Bindusar. Which Ashokan inscription described the Kalinga War? D, Major Rock Edict 8. The Third Buddhist Council was held under the patronage of which ruler? C, Ashoka. Which Mauryan emperor built the lion capital of Sarnath? C, Ashoka. What was Panna in the Mauryan period? A, B, silver coin. Which religion is Chandragupta Maurya believed to have adopted in his later life? B, Jainism. What were the spies called during the Mauryan period? C, Gudha Purishas. Who is the author of the play Mudra Rakshasa, which described the rise of Chandragupta Maurya? B, Visakha Datta. What was Ashoka's Dhamma? C, a moral and social code of conduct. What were the provinces of the Mauryan Empire called? B, Chakra. Who was the last Mauryan emperor? C, Brihadatta. In which inscript were the inscription of the Ashoka primarily written? C, Brahmi. In which inscription is the name Ashoka found for the first time? B, Masaki Rock Edict. According to Megasthenes, Indian society was divided into how many classes? D, 7. Where did Ashoka send his son Mahendra and daughter Sanghmitra to propagate Buddhism? C, Simhala, Sri Lanka. Which Greek ruler was defeated by the Chandragupta Maurya? B, Seleucus Nicator. The Barabar Caves, one of the finest examples of the Mauryan architecture, were built for whom? C. Ajivika ascetics. Who was the first person to decipher the Ashokan inscription? E. James Prinsep. What was a major cause for the decline of the Mauryan Empire? B. Which successor and the division of the empire? आज के लिए इतना ही. नेक्स्ट पार्ट 2 में